Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Blum Crypto account. Blum is a hybrid crypto exchange. It combines centralized and decentralized exchange features into a simple user-friendly Telegram mini app. Now to begin with, make sure you have the Telegram application and you are logged into your account. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. And at the top, you can see the search icon. You can tap on that and search for Blum. At the first, you can see the Blum option. Simply tap on that. Now all you need to do is tap on Start. And there you can see the option Launch Blum. You need to tap on that. This kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on Launch. Now this kind of page will appear where you need to pick a nickname for yourself. After that, you can simply tap on Continue. Now you can see that your Blum Crypto account has been created. Now if you tap on Continue, there you will be seeing an option of Start Farming. And if you tap on that, your mining process will start, which you can claim in every 8 hours. And this is how you can create your Blum Crypto account. To create this account, all you need to have is Telegram. And just launch this website in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.